Hey guys, so I'm in town. I just am leaving the bank. I thought we'd do a little like day in my life or days in my life or weekend in my life, whatever it turns out to be. I'm gonna run to the store and grab a few groceries because we have nothing in the house right now because we're leaving on Sunday. It's Friday afternoon right now and I am so hungry, and I'm gonna grab a few groceries and just kind of bring you guys along with me on the rest of my day. I might stop at Dunkin'. I'm not a big Dunkin' fan, to be honest. Like, really at all, but Dunkin' is like the only thing around here that is open past like 2 in the afternoon. Like the coffee shops around here close extremely early. It didn't used to be like that, but ever since 2020, like after COVID, everything just started closing really early. So don't have a lot of options for coffee right now, but I'm gonna grab just a couple things so I can at least go home and like make something to eat. Hi, could I do an iced chai latte with oat milk?
There you are.
Thank
Do you
you.
need a straw?
I got one.
All right.
Thanks.
Have a great
You
day.
too. Okay. I kind of forgot they don't have their like fruity drinks right now this time of year, and I probably shouldn't do much caffeine because I'm on my period and I will get cramps. So I just got a chai because it's like less caffeine than coffee. And I did have a decaf coffee already this morning. I don't think I've ever had a chai from Dunkin'. This is good. It's really creamy. Like their oat milk is super creamy, which is kind of surprising. It has a kind of like a different flavor to it, and it's not like super strong, but it's good. Okay, I'm gonna drive and head home, and I will see you guys in a bit. So I got a salad kit. I thought I could like add some stuff to it and make it like a big salad for dinner tonight maybe. And also I got a pizza. Mainly this is for Joas. Like we really have like no food, so it's just something quick and easy. Got some tomatoes for the salad, some strawberries just to snack on. Like I actually have no fruit in the house either, and I really love to snack on fruit. Not too much else. I got some Olipop just for something to drink. I'm just gonna enjoy my avocado toast now. This looks so delicious. So I guess this will be kind of like my afternoon snack lunch because I haven't really had much today. And I do have to say, the more I'm drinking this, the less I'm kind of liking it, which is super weird because usually the more I drink a drink like this, the more I like it. So I don't know why, but it's like the flavor is getting weirder. I don't know what's up with that, but I mean, Dunkin' in general isn't really my favorite. Nothing I've ever tried has been like amazing, so I don't really get the hype, to be honest. In general these days, I prefer small town independent coffee shops over chains, but if I'm gonna choose between Dunkin' and Starbucks, I still think Starbucks is better. Like Dunkin' just kind of under delivers a lot of the time. Okay, so we're in my bathroom. I wanted to do a little like wavy styling situation because I did a wash now, style later thing, if you guys have ever heard of that. I just shampooed and conditioned my hair, but I didn't put any product in it. So now I'm going to re-wet it and add a few products in. I'm gonna try a few new things that I just got in PR. Obviously results are always a little bit different when you do this type of routine because your hair isn't like as wet as it is when you freshly shampoo and condition it, and it's just doesn't always have quite the same effect. But I didn't really have time to style my hair when I washed it, and I wanted to film trying out these products, so I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair with the sprayer attachment on my bathtub, and then I'll come back and style my hair on camera. But I think when we leave for the trip on Sunday, I might shampoo and condition and heat style my hair that day just because it's easier to take care of. I probably won't do that for the whole trip. I might style my hair natural a couple days out of it. But a lot of the time when I'm traveling or for special events and stuff, I do like to heat style because my hair stays nicer for longer. I find that with natural hair, especially if you don't have really curly hair, you just have to like keep up with it a little bit more and do more to keep it looking nice. So I might do that, but I wanted to for like the next couple days just wear my hair natural. I don't like doing too much heat styling because obviously that's not great for like the health of your hair. Okay, so the lengths of my hair are pretty wet, but the roots aren't completely because it's not really necessary for this. And also that's the part that takes the longest to dry, is like right at the roots. So that makes it a little bit harder to flip my hair around a lot and make sure that it doesn't have like odd pieces that want to stick up. But in the end, it might actually help with volume, we'll see. So I got a PR package from Pacifica, and then I also got a PR package from this new brand called Rhyme and Reason. They sent me an email and wanted to send me some stuff, and I thought, great, like I would love to try a new natural hair care brand for wavy hair. This is their Wave Revival Gel Serum. And then Pacifica sent me this like coconut line. They have the Cocoa Peptide Damage Care Shampoo and Conditioner, and then this Cocobond Damage Care Leave-In Masks. This got a little bit dented in transit, so that's why there's like a dent in it. But I'm gonna use just a little bit of this, not too much. And maybe that was too much, hopefully not. Like distribute it throughout my hair as like my moisturizing product, my cream. Hopefully this isn't too much because I know this is like a leave-in mask, so it's gonna be a little bit thicker and just a little bit heavier, and I don't want it to weigh down my hair since it's not like freshly washed. And yes, most of my hair is really wet, but I'm gonna try to keep it down here because the tops of my hair aren't as wet, and that can make product feel like a little too much, especially creams. If your hair isn't super wet, I really want to make sure there's no like tangles and stuff in my hair. So I'm not doing like just the praying hands method with this cream. I'm gonna actually rake it. I'm gonna kind of try to like flip my hair around a little bit better because you guys will kind of see when I flip my hair like that, it doesn't really want to come over. The pieces are kind of like tangled because my hair isn't super wet at the top, but with this moisturizing cream, it's gonna make it a little bit easier for my hair to do what I want it to do. Parted my hair in the center again, and since this other product is kind of like a gel product, I really wanna make sure that my hair is wet enough. So I grabbed my spray bottle. And then I'm gonna take this, again, it's the Rhyme and Reason Wave Revival Gel Serum. So I'm intrigued to see what type of like formula and product this is going to be. It has like a little spout thingy, and then you just take the lid off. Very interesting. Haven't really seen anything like that. Ooh, guys, look at that texture. It's like a very thin, lightweight, kind of milky gel. Like it has that milky look to it, like the Curlsmith gel that you guys know I love so much. So I guess maybe that means it's moisturizing, I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and smooth it over my hair on both sides and scrunch. I can see that like already added some definition to my waves. It's kind of funny because it feels so lightweight, like it really hardly felt like I put any product in my hair. I really love the feel and texture of that, so I hope I like how it looks in my hair because it felt so just lightweight and kind of balmy almost. So I guess kind of perfect for this type of styling day. Okay, I'm gonna let my hair dry, and I might do some diffusing. I might actually film a diffusing short video that I wanted to do, and then I'll show you guys, of course, how it looks when it's dry. I did actually also want to finish packing. I've been packing throughout the week because I always wait till the last minute, then I don't know what to take, and I'm like stressed out the night before trying to pack everything. So I've been doing it gradually, and I am not completely sure if I'm keeping everything in here that's in here right now, but I've been trying some outfits on and like seeing what I want to wear. It's definitely going to be warm. These are just sweatpants for the evening because I do get cold really easily in the evenings. I do think I want to pick a book out for the flight. I've been doing a lot of Kindle reading and some audiobooks lately, so I haven't been reading my actual physical books, and I started a couple that I still haven't finished, which is, I hate doing that, but sometimes I'm just not in the mood for what I'm reading. This one right here, Home Again by Kristen Hanna. Joas got this for me for Christmas and I still haven't read it, so I might take this one along and I can read it on the flight. And that's like a perfect time to read a physical book. I've never read anything from this author before. I've seen her name a few times around like on Book Talk and stuff, but I've never read anything from her, so I'm kind of excited to see how good this is. If anyone's curious what perfume I'm taking, sorry if I'm out of focus. I packed the Versace Crystal Noir perfume. I love this one. Oh, it smells so good. It's like a little bit coconut, which I don't think there's coconut in here, but it smells a little coconutty and a little floral and like spicy almost. Like it has a spiciness to it, but it's like super sexy. It's the perfect summer nighttime scent in my personal opinion. This is the EDT, by the way, not the EDP. So I'll be wearing that one a lot for like going out at night. And then during the day, I'm just taking a little travel of my Valentina Pink perfume. Oh, it smells so good. It's like sweet strawberry rose and it's just like delicious. So I'm taking a travel of that for like daytime. Anyways, half of you probably don't care about my fragrance, but I do know that some of you guys, from my fragrance channel, come over here and watch these videos. I'm packing, of course, my lash serum from Babe Lash. This stuff is actually incredible, and my lashes have grown insanely. Like the before and after pictures that I've taken are crazy. I've never seen anything do like this type of magic, so I guess I'll put this in my toiletry bag if I can get it open. Things are kind of like packed tightly in here already. And then I have my makeup bag that I guess will just kind of go like on top here. And I already know this bag is like getting full. I can't fit much more in here. Let's see if it closes. Okay, that zips up pretty nicely. I don't want to do too much more. I did almost forget that I packed some sandals in here that I don't think I'm going to take after all. I'm going to take a different pair, kind of like stuffed in here. These black heels. I'm obsessed with these heels. But these sandals, I think I'm going to take my black ones instead because these are like, I don't know, a little too casual. I lied. I think I am going to take these. I think I'm going to try to fit all of them in here. Is that crazy? This may not even go in here now that I have stuff packed in here. Guys, this is my problem. I have an overpacking problem. Now I'm definitely not going to be able to fit much else in here. Okay, since we don't have any more natural light because it's dark outside, the quality isn't going to be as good because I am filming on my phone again. But this is my hair. It's just like a very natural kind of wavy day. Like it's got some volume. It's not like, doesn't feel really product-y. Like it actually feels really nice. I like it. Like I expected my hair to feel a little bit more product-y just for the fact that it wasn't like wash day, and I used a leave-in mask and like a gel type product. But obviously, as I said, the gel type product is very light and serum-y like it's called. So it definitely wasn't too heavy. It's kind of hard to really see because like I said, the quality is not great on my phone when I don't have natural lighting. But I like it. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm not sure if I'm really going to vlog much more tonight. I might tomorrow, and I'll probably just like vlog the next couple days until I leave, maybe. So we'll see. I'm not sure when this video is going to go up yet. I like it to go up Sunday, but we'll just have to see. Okay, it's the next day. It's Saturday. I just got done self-tanning. If I didn't mention already, we're going to Florida and I want to have some color to me, and I'll probably get tan while I'm there, but like I have truly been the palest of the pale lately, so I wanted to get there having some color to me and not just be like completely pasty white. So I'm gonna make myself some decaf coffee. I'm so sad it has to be decaf, but this is what a week out of every month of my life is like, so I'm going to use my beloved Ember mug. I love this thing so much. I also think I'm gonna make myself this salad kit for lunch because I haven't eaten anything yet today. So I'm just gonna put this together really quick. Hi, so it's Sunday and I don't have much time to vlog because I want to post this video tonight, but my hair is crazy right now because this is what happens when you brush out wavy hair and blow dry it without a diffuser. So I'm going to heat style it and do a little bit of like a loose wave in my hair just so that I don't have to deal with it being crazy like I mentioned earlier in the vlog. But right now I'm going to do some gel on my nails. They're looking not cute. I have like bruises from the acrylics that I had on. So I'll show you guys how they look then, and then I'm probably gonna end this vlog. I was gonna do a giveaway in this video, but I don't really have time to like do all of that right now. I wanted to like show you guys the products and do like a whole entry thing. I think I'm gonna save it for my next vlog. It's not that much stuff. I really just like to save up things that I don't end up using, that I get in PR. I feel like that is like a fun thing to do, and it takes a while to build up a box, but maybe we'll have a few more things when I actually do it. I don't know, we'll see, but I will save that for the next vlog. So definitely subscribe and continue watching my vlogs. I'm trying to do like about one a month right now. I'm obviously focusing more on hair content, but I'm trying to do them here and there. But anyways, I'm gonna go do my nails.
Lost in the night, can't get caught up. Really doing everything I ever thought of.